My name is Gary and I've been using Photoshop for over 10 years now on various projects, creating graphics for video, for posters, for print and a wide variety of things. And welcome to my Adobe Photoshop CC Beginners to Intermediate Essentials training course. So what will you learn from my course? You'll have an introduction to the home screen. We will look at how to create a new file and the best settings. We'll also look at adjustment of images, spot healing and patch tools. We'll look at different kinds of selections and much more. What you'll gain from this course is more skill and confidence in creating or editing pictures or graphics for the web or for print. And you'll be able to use some of these skills that you've learnt to make money online or to enhance your skills. This course is ideal for beginners but also intermediate users, so you can design flyers and different graphics either for your own business or your job. So what are you waiting for? My step-by-step course will have you making amazing graphics and images in no time. Join my course today. See you on the inside.